Bana b'Imana dusangiye kwemera muri Yezu Kristu ndabaramukije kandi mu izina rya Yezu Kristu nitugire Kristu. Uno munsi ndabazaniye video y'umugore yagize mariage n'imbwa. Hanyuma murabe video abazi icyongereza muraza murumva amajambo muraza murumva amajambo ujya mudamu avuga canke nabo bari kumwe. Hanyuma kandi nitwamara kuraba video ndaza gusigura namwe kandi muza kuba mwamaze kubibona. Mbega Imana iremera ko umugore abana n'imbwa ashingiranwa n'imbwa? Imana yo mwijuru dutabare cyane. Ijambo ry'Imana rero tuza kwisunga, tuza kurisanga mu gitabo cya Benelevi ku kigabane cya 20, tuza kuzirikana akarongo ka 16. Reka tubanze dusome hanyuma duce turaba video, hanyuma video iheze ducasigura. Akarongo ka 16 karavuga ngo umugore niyegera igikoko icyo ari cyo cyose ngo asambane naco azokwicwa. Uwo mugore niyico gikoko ategerezwa kwicanwa naco. Amaraso y'uwo mugore ari ku gatwe kiwe, ayico gikoko ari ku gahanga kaco. Imana dutabare cyane. Bana b'Imana rero raba video, hanyuma niwamara kuraba video duce tubandanya.
But now let's introduce you to our next guest, who hasn't been lucky when it comes to finding love. She's Elizabeth Hoad, and she has endured 4 failed engagements and has been out on over 200 dates, which haven't gone too well. But now she says, does she not, Ruthie, she has found the one.
She's found the one. She's planning now to marry the love of her life, and he's with her today, her golden retriever, Logan. He looks very relaxed and chilled.
Thank you very much, yes.
Tell me about the love you have for Logan Humphrey, and Logan has, just looking at Logan's face there, that dog adores you. For that, there is no doubt.
Yeah, and I adore him. It's a year ago today I rescued him, and the reason why I feel it's so important to, you know, celebrate this by doing this is not only because I've been in lucky love by 221 dates, actually.
And counting.
Thought I'd better correct you on that one. I rescued him a year ago today. He has a very sad past where he's now just turned 6, but for the first 4 years he was locked up in a utility cupboard, chained up, beaten,
awful,
starved. And when he came out, he was rehomed very badly with dysfunctional families, and it was like we were meant to meet, because I just lost my other golden retriever to spondylitis, who was a golden retriever. So my son said, get a doppelganger, and here we go.
Well, you've said that what you've done for him. What has he done for you?
He saved me, and I've saved him, and everyone. I got a dog behaviourist when I first got him, and she said, he saved you and you've saved him, because I was a broken woman when Humphrey was only 8, but with this spondylitis, his legs just went, and I was absolutely devastated.
Okay, I get all that, but as regards human relationships,
yes,
and with men in particular, have you gone as far to say you've given up?
I've completely given up. I've hand on heart, I've been on all those websites from. Can I name some of them?
Well, anyway,
no,
you've been on them.
There's so many.
There's so many.
Muddy matches, you know, farmers, millionairematch.com, match.com,
but then,
Tinder.
Okay, but Liz, but do you not get to the stage where you have to ask yourself the question, is it them or is it you?
It must be me. I mean, you know, I don't know. I mean...
Have you got particularly high standards, do you think?
Well, no, I tell you what I think, Eamon and Ruth. What I think the problem is, the older men want the younger woman, and the younger man wants the older woman. Now, I've got a son of 25. Men of that age are asking me out, seriously, and I can't do that. It's not right, you know.
So you want somebody a bit older than you?
Well, yes,
Yeah.
and then I also want someone that's sort of... I mean, I'll just run quickly through the last thing, the deciding thing happened 3 months ago. I've been building up a relationship with this guy. I did meet him through Facebook, but we became, you know, he said he was separated, getting divorced and everything, and we built up this relationship. I hadn't actually met him.
Yes.
But we were FaceTiming, video chatting, and then, without putting it too fun, we were connecting and we were doing, and I started sort of getting fruity.
Was he lying, basically?
Well, I'll cut to the chase. We got a bit fruity on the video call, and he said, "I love you, Elizabeth," and I said, "I love you, alibi, Andy." That's like, and then, you know, we were, you know, on. And then I hear in the background, "Darling, are you coming to bed?" His wife walked in.
Oh dear, so that was the final straw. You just said, that's it. OK, so we get all that, We have a lot of people that talk about disastrous dating, how difficult it is to find something, but it is quite extreme to go from that to saying, I know what I'll do then, I can't find a man, I'm fed up with them all, I'll marry my dog. I mean, seriously, you want to marry your dog.
100%.
We're not joking.
It's not just me. I meet with about 10 other friends a week. We go on lots of treks with all our dogs. You know, I'm not working at the moment. I'm with him 24/7, and a lot of my friends said, why don't you just marry him? Because I'm with him 24/7.
I know, but would that not have been a joke? Like, I can imagine saying, oh, you know what, I just might marry my dog. But
No,
to actually...
They initially thought, yeah. But then after the Alibi Andy incident, they thought, no, this is it now, because I have been an enormous amount of... Maybe it is me, I don't know.
But you've got a lot of love to give.
I do.
And you like the idea of the story here with Logan Humphrey and be able to change his life. It was like me and Ruth. When I met Ruth, she was broken. She was lost. I adopted her, basically. And I think that's why our relationship works, because, you know, I know the good that I've done for that woman.
Without
you. Very few men are like you. You're few and far between.
I know.
You know, and obviously you're taken now.
Yes.
You know.
Well, look, what we're going to do for you now is, not now, but towards the end of the programme, we are actually going to marry Elizabeth. We'll sort of bless them, and Logan at the end of the show. So there you go. So listen, have you got a new outfit? Have you got something to get ready?
Yes, I've got my wedding outfit.
Okay,
what about him?
Yeah, so he's got tuxedo and a top hat, and yeah, I've got a bracelet for him, and he's already given me an engagement ring.
Yes, hang on, hold it still. Let's have a look.
There you are. There, look.
Very nice.
Wonderful, lovely.
OK, well, listen, if we can wake him up, 12:20.
He's so excited. He's very excited.
He's very excited about the whole thing.
The whole prospect here.
But next, take a good look, because next time you see him, he'll be in full bridegroom attire, tuxedo, top hat, the works.
Are you nervous, Elizabeth?
I'm excited, nervous.
Excited, OK. All right, OK. Yes. Well, good luck to both of you.
Thank you very much.
See you later.
Listen, it's our pleasure. What else will we be doing today?
Well,
Tuesday.
On a Tuesday. Us both very, very happy, and thank you very much.
Not at all. Thank you very much indeed.
Earlier on in the show, Elizabeth Hode revealed her love for her dog, Logan. Look at him, he's so handsome. And she agreed to get married to Logan live on This Morning. And Alison is officiating proceedings today.
Exactly. I am officiating proceedings today, whilst Kem acts as Logan's best man. So, without further ado, could I ask the congregation to stand as the bride prepares to make her entrance down the aisle? Andy, it's over to you, my darling. Take it away.
Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? And they called it puppy love. Oh, I guess they'll never know how a young heart really feels, and why I love her so. And they called it.
Thank you, Addy. Thanks, Andy. Dearly bewowed.
Sit.
I stand here today to join together Elizabeth Mary Frances Hode and Logan Humphrey II, the Golden Retriever. If any persons here present has a bone of contention as to why they may not be joined together, I will now pause to let them speak, bark, now or forever hold their peace. Do we have the rings, please?
Yeah, I'm here, darling.
Sorry.
Yes, I'm here.
I'm actually...
It's okay.
Shall I hold his lead?
Yeah, you hold the lead.
Thank you, Ken. Have you got the rings, yeah?
He's wagging his tail.
Elizabeth.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you, Elizabeth, take Logan to be your very own pedigree chum, to take for walkies from this dog forward, for better, for when you are in the doghouse, for richer, for when Logan occasionally bites the hand that feeds him, even when one of you is as sick as a dog, to puppy love and to cherish till the end of a dog's life, do you part?
I do.
And Logan, hello, darling. Will you take Elizabeth to lead you on walkies for the rest of your life?
I do.
Can we have the rings, please?
Oh, sorry, I already gave it to her.
Elizabeth, repeat after me.
Repeat after
I
me.
give you this ring
Oh, I give you this ring.
as a sign that you are the top dog in my life.
As a son, are you the top dog in my life or on my life?
Yes, correct, yeah.
Yeah.
With my body, I promise to take you for daily walkies.
Oh, with my body, I promise to take you for daily walkies.
And all that I have in my doggy treat cupboard, I give to you.
And all that I have in my doggy treat cupboard, I give to you.
And all those cuddles on the sofa, I share with you.
And all those cuddles on the sofa, I share with you.
Now, Logan is feeling a little bit rough this morning, so Kem, if you could place the ring with Elizabeth, and Elizabeth, could you place the bracelet onto Logan's paw, please?
I've already put the ring on you. I'll just give you.
Yes, please.
Where am I putting it on?
No, she'll put it
sorry,
on
you put
Logan.
Logan, sit. Good boy.
Ken, remind me not to ask you to be best
Sorry,
man.
shall I just put a hat on him as well?
Logan.
Oh.
Logan, do you agree to take Elizabeth to be your partner for life? I'll take that as a yes.
He doesn't look very happy, does he?
Well, I think you better pronounce them wife and dog, because...
I'll take that as a yes. I pronounce you now as dog and woman. Amazing! So happy! Congratulations!
Thank you
so much.
What can we say?
And dog.
Thank you very much indeed. It's been certainly different on the show today. I hope you watching at home were as emotional as we all were, Elizabeth and Logan and Ogan and everybody here. Tomorrow we'll be back doing something completely different. Thank you for joining our congregation today. See you in the morning at 10:30. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bana b'Imana rero tuhejeje kuraba video ngira mwabonye video noneho ijambo ry'Imana turi buzirikane turisanga mu gitabo ca Benelevi ku kigabane cya 20 turazirikana ku karongo ka 16 ku izina rya Data n'irya Mwana n'irya Mutima Mweranda amen. Ijambo ry'umutwe turi kwisunga mu gitabo ca Benelevi kiravuga ngo ibibujijwe n'ibihano bijanye navyo. Ibibujijwe ngo n'ibihano bijanye navyo. Akandi karongo k'umutwe karavuga ngo igihe amabanga y'abubatse abujijwe. Ngo igihe mbega batubwira amabanga y'abubatse abujijwe. Ejo canke se mu mwanya waciyeho hariho video mwari mwabonye y'abageyi, abagabo ku bagabo. None rero turacyabandanya kuraba ibyo bihano byashiriweho abantu bakora amabanga y'abubatse bitari mukuri, bitabereye Imana idashaka. Rero amajambo turi buzirikane, mbese mbanje kubabwira abazi Icyongereza narashatse kureka kugira amajambo arimo abantu bayumve, kuko ndamaze kubona ko hariho ubu haramaze kuba bataki abantu batari bake, ugiye abantu barenze 240 bazi Icyongereza canke se mbese nyene naho baba batazi icyongereza mugabo bumviriza ibintu bakumva barabitahuye biba ari byiza. None rero niyo mpamvu rero nabonye ko hari abandimo bazi icyongereza naretse nabone ajya amajambo bayumve. Ujya mugore yitwa Elizabeth, ijya mbwa nayo ngo bayitwa Logan. Ujya mudamu murabona hariho ahantu hambere usibye ko hariho n'uduce kumbure ntabisize ko neza byose, ariko abamenyesha amakuru bariko baramubaza impamvu ahisemo kwabirana n'imbwa. Hari aho yasiguye ko yari amaze niba ari kumvikana n'abagabo barenga 40 canke abasore, akabona ngo nta rukundo bagira canke ntibimuhire. Hanyuma we akaba yahisemwo gupfunga impeta no kubana n'imbwa ikamubera umugabo. Mani dutabare cyane. Mwarabonye ko yayambitse inkofero, yarayambitse n'impeta, mwarumvise ko ayibwira ngo Rogeni. Mbega mwarabonye hariho n'umuntu nyimba ari umupasiteri kazi, nyimba ari uwa hehe yariko arabasomera ajya amategeko, yariko arasomera ujya mugore nijyambwa amategeko n'ingene byemeranije. None gabasha ijya mwako yari yarumvise hari ahantu yavuze ngo yuko ahisemo kwibanira na Rogeni ubuzima bwiwe bwose biki n'ibiki. Ijya bwasinzi nyimba ari ibyo mbese ujya mugore acararyoherwa ngo imbwa ngo yabaye happy, ngo he's happy, ngo he's happy. Hi n'umuhungu, shi n'umukobwa, n'umuhungu aranezerewe. Hana b'Imana byagiye kubura ngo hi shi iki koko ngo shi ngo hi. Imana dutabare cyane. Hajya imbere y'ijyambwa hariho akantu agakaratasi bari banditse ukuntu handitse ngo I do. I do mu cyongereza bisigura ngo ndabyemeye. I do ngo ndabyemeye. Ujya mu pasiteri kazi, niba ari mu pasiteri kazi ariko arabaza Rogeni uremeye ibi n'ibiri ngo I do, byanditse ku gikaratasi cyangwa none iravuga kujya no guhohotera ibikoko. Bana b'Imana isigeze habi, nababwiye isigeze habi. Kandi nari muri minsi mazi minsi nkora research ndaba sanga ibyo ni ibintu byadutse vuba, nta myaka 5 biramara, nta myaka myinshi biba biramara. Ujya mugore yagize ubukwe n'imbwa biramaze umwaka urenga, ariko uri kuraraba muri kahise usanga ata myaka myinshi ihaciye ibintu by'ubutinganyi n'ibyo by'ibibwa n'ibikoko byadutse. Imana dutabare cyane. Reka rero dusigure ikimana, twumve ikimana yabivuzeko ku karongo ka 16 muri Benelevi ku kigabane cya 20 haravuga ngo umugore niyegera igikoko icyo ari cyo cyose ngo asambane nacyo. Murumva, umugore niyegera igikoko cyari cyo cyose, yaba impene, yaba intama, yaba imbwa, yaba kayabo, yaba nibiki, ngo akacyegera icyo ari cyo cyose. Kuko hariko nubwo nashize ko bijya byimbwa, hariko n'ibindi bikoko usanga abagore bariko barirongoza. Imana dutabare cyane. Nabyo nzoza ndabibereka. Azokwicwa, uwo mugore azokwicwa, niko Bibiliya ivuze, ni Imana yabivuze. Uwo mugore nico gikoko, uwo mugore nico gikoko ategerezwa kwicwa naco. Ngo uwo mugore nico gikoko ngo bitegerezwa kwicwa byose. Uwo mugore yicwe, n'ujya mugabo yicwe, uwo mugore yicwe, niyo mbwa yicwe. None murabona ayo mahano. Wowe wishize mu mwanya w'Imana, ibyo wumva wabyemera. Imana dutabare cyane. Nukuri twarababaje Imana, twarahemukiye Imana. Imana yo mu ijuru dutabare cyane. N'amahano isi yaragwishije ishano. Dusenge cyane, dusenge dusenge cyane. Niyo mpamvu duhura n'imyuzure, duhura isi yononeka itakimeri, ibintu byose byivanze. Imana irababaye cyane. Turabandanya. Amaraso y'uwo mugore, ngo amaraso y'uwo mugore ari ku gatwe kiwe, ngo amaraso y'uwo mugore ari ku gatwe kiwe. None Imana nyimba yarabivuze uko, amaraso y'uwo mugore ari ku gatwe kiwe, ntari ku gatwe k'abazoba bamwishe. Nk'uko natwe twikoresha amafuti cyangwa abantu bikoresha amafuti bapfuye, wenda bamwe tukavuga aramuhohoteye, yaragize iki, yamurenganije. Kumbe hariho iby'Imana yaretse ngo bibe kubera ishavu Imana ifise. Ntitukaze turitwaza ngo Yesu yarabirangije. Ibyo Yesu yarangije ni ukukwigisha ibinyene, kuko ugiye no mu byo Yesu yigishije urasangamo n'ibindi bindi. Ibyo byose tugomba kubimenya. Ntihagire uzobura ijuru ngo yitwaze mu Imana ntiyaduhaye ibitabo byeranda, cyangwa ngo ntihagurukije abavuga butumwa babivuge. Nyimba Imana yarahagurukije ujya mugore ngo naze gupfungira impeta imbwa n'umuntu, nanje impagurukije kuvuga ko bijya atari byo. Bavuga ati ntiducicanire imanza, ariko ubwo rujya n'urubanza rwiciye. Ujya mugore niyapfa atarasaba imbabazi Imana, burya nyene murumva ko azoja mu ijuru. Ahubwo Imana yo mu ijuru izomuhe kubivamo. Nukuri nanje ndamusengeye mu izina rya Yesu Kristo. Imana iramurukira ko azohindure bijya bintu, noneho azotanga intahe, azokure mu buja abandi abazane kuri Yesu Kristo. Ayico gikoko ari ku gahanga kaco, ngo amaraso y'icyo gikoko nayo azoja ku gahanga kaco. Reka mbisubiremo nihuse. Umugore niyegera igikoko ico ari cyo cyose ngo asambane naco, azokwicwa. Uwo mugore n'icyo gikoko ategerezwa kwicanwa naco, azicanwa naco. Amaraso y'uwo mugore ari ku gatwe kiwe, ngo amaraso y'uwo mugore ari ku gatwe kiwe, ayico gikoko ari ku gahanga kaco, ayico gikoko nayo ari ku gahanga kaco. Bana b'Imana, Imana irababaye cyane. Hanyuma ujya mugore yitwa Elizabeth, ijya mwana nayo yitwa Rogeni. Abazi Icyongereza mwabonye hariho ahantu haranditse ko ngo for better for wolf, Elizabeth and Rogeni to wedding. Berekana ko Elizabeth na Rogeni bagize wedding, ariko for better, mbese yumva yuko agize better, mbese yumva yuko arose umunezero kuba agize wufu, bisigura ko ari imbwa nyene, yumva anezerewe no kuba agize ubukwe n'imbwa. Urumva abagabo abasore ntibamushimishije, ntibamunezereye, ahubwo ahisemo kubana n'imbwa. Imana yo mu ijuru ikomeze tube hafi cyane. Mwabonye ko izindi mbwa bazitondanye zatashe burya bukwe, mwabonye kandi ko hariho n'abandi bantu bamwe na bamwe baje kubiraba no kubishangiriya, kubishigikira. Mwabonye kandi bajya barabamenyesha amakuru, bariko barabaza ujya mudamu, hanyuma umukama bahezagire cyane. Mwibuke gukora subscribe, mugire na share, mukande no kuri kajya kinzogera kugira ashize ko video muzoze murayiraba. Ku izina rya Data, rya Mwana, rya Mutima Mweranda. Amen.